Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all guys are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the Capgemini Welcome Kit. This video will be helpful for all the people who are soon planning to join Capgemini or the people who have already joined Capgemini. Okay, so make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates whenever we post videos related to the IT industry. Okay, now let us move forward. So the first point that we are going to discuss is a hearty congratulations to all the people who have been selected at any of the company, okay, like Capgemini, Accenture, because a lot of people are now getting placed in different companies, and that is the reason we are getting a lot of requests from different people in the Telegram group as well as in the comment section to make videos about the joining kits of different companies. Okay, so we have already made for the Accenture, we will now make for Hexaware, we will also do it for different companies. Okay, so if you want us to make a video on the joining kits for any specific company, do let us know in the comment section. Or if you have already joined a company and you have got a fantastic welcome kit, then also please let us know in the comment section. We will take a picture from your side and then we will share it with the community members, okay, the YouTube channel, and we can make a video out of it. Okay guys, so let us move forward. Now what do you get inside the kit, okay, the joining kit or the welcome kit? Okay, so we'll have a look at things one by one. Okay, the first thing that you get is a sipper. Okay, so you can take your coffee or you can take your tea inside the sipper. Okay, so you get this thing in the welcome kit. The second thing that you get is a bottle. Okay, it is a steel bottle which is branded with Capgemini again. Okay, so some people get this stainless steel bottle or some people get this colorful blue bottle. Okay, there are two options. The next thing that you get is a pen. Okay, it is again Capgemini branded pen. Okay, here also you can see that this is a pen that you get similar kind of pen. Okay, and the diary. Okay, not to forget about the diary. It is again branded diary with brown in color, and some people get blue color diaries. Okay, now the next important thing is laptops. Okay, so most of the people in Capgemini get HP laptops. So if you're working already at Capgemini, do let us know what kind of laptop you got. Okay, if you got other than HP, if you got Dell, if you got Acer, you please let us know in the comment section. Okay, some lucky people might also get Mac for using purpose. Okay, so do let us know in the comment section what kind of which company's laptop you got. Okay, so the next thing is this thing is really good. Okay, and a good initiative by Capgemini because they are providing a cloth bag which is branded with Capgemini. So here you can see that this is a cloth bag which you can carry as well. Okay, to bring in some stuff or something like that. Some people might also get a steel mug. Okay, in option with this plastic sipper, you also get an option for like you don't technically get an option, it is delivered to you, but some people might also get this steel cup. Okay, which is again branded with Capgemini. All these things comes under this box over here, which is get the future you want. Okay, branded. Now again, the most important thing which Capgemini is doing for all of its employees, right? They are giving this cap. Okay, similar to what Google does. So Google also gives a like good cap, okay, which is really unique, which has a fan above it. Okay, so Capgemini is doing something like that. You also get a cap in that case. Okay, now some people, if they're lucky, they might also get a keychain. Okay, a Capgemini branded leather keychain, which is also very good in quality. Okay, so if you're lucky, you might also get that. Okay, ID card string and everything are common, and the laptops and the laptop bag. Okay, so these are all the things that are present inside the welcome kit of Capgemini. If you are joining as fresher or if you are joining as an experienced employee also, then also in that case you will be getting this kind of welcome kit and joining kit. Okay guys, so this is it about the Capgemini joining kit. If we have missed any point, do let us know in the comment section. We will improve it for the next time. Okay, so with this we conclude the video. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because it will ultimately help you all. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.